Hello everyone. Today we are going to do application writing. And one specific application writing we are to do today, that is, as I have written in the statement, write an application to the principal for an urgent piece of work. Okay, you have to write an application to the principal for leave and you have an urgent piece of work at home. So you have to write this application. Let's learn how to write application like this. Students, when you write an application to the principal, first of all, you are to start with the principal, as I have written here. The principal, then after name of the institution, name of the school in which you are studying. As the name of your school is Rishikul World Academy, and after that name of city Sonipat, then date, on which date you are writing the application, that date you are to write. Okay, so how to start an application? The principal, Rishikul World Academy, Sonipat, after that date, then salutation. If your principal is sir, then sir you are to write. If your principal is ma'am, then you are to write ma'am. Okay, sir / ma'am, it means either sir or ma'am, whosoever is there. But in your school you know who is the principal, so you will write ma'am. Okay, then you are to start an application with this line, with this sentence: with due respect. You have to show your respect toward your principal, so you have to start with due respect. I want to say that due to an urgent piece of work, you have an urgent work, but you will write in the same way as I have written here. Due to an urgent piece of work, I can't attend the school on 25th April 2020. Here I have written 25th April, but if you are writing an application to the principal the date on which you want leave, you are to write that date here. Okay, on which date you will not come in school. So I can't attend the school on 25th April 2020. Then kindly grant me leave for 1 day only. If you want leave for 1 day, then you will write here 1 day. If you want to write for 2 days, 3 days, you are to mention here that grant me leave for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Okay. But if you will write here 2 days, 3 days, then upside you are to write the dates also, that from 25 to 26 or 27 I will not attend the school, like this. Kindly grant me leave for 1 day only. Then you are to show your respect. You are to thank the teacher, the principal. I shall be thankful to you. Okay, you have thanked the teacher for the leave. Then after, at the end, what you are to write? Yours sincerely. Yours sincerely. You see, in yours, Y capital I have written, and sincerely, S small. Yours sincerely. Then after, you are to write name. As I have written here, Rohan, but you can write your name here. You are to write your name. Then after name, class, and then roll number. Your class and your roll number you are to write here. I hope you have understood well. After your sincerely, you are not to write Rohan. You will write your own name. Understood? I hope it's clear to you. Let's see again. The statement. In statement, I have not given any name that you are Rohan and you are to write an application to the principal for an urgent piece of work. If in statement any name is not given, then you will write your own name. Understood? So if no name is there, is not here, then at the end here you will write your name in place of Rohan. Understood? Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Stay well, study well.